So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you an amazing AI tool that you can utilize to create your own dream game. So this AI tool lets you prompt your a single sentence. With that single sentence your dream game get created. So how that tool will work and how you can use this to create your own dream game. So that's a really amazing and fantastic tool I have ever tried. So without any wait, let's start the video. So first step over there, you have to come to their site, their creator.somya.ai. Basically I will provide that link in my video description, so you have to just click over there and you will reach out to this interface, right? The first step there you have to sign up. So like you have Google or Discord, you can sign up over there, or you can manually enter your email address. And later on when you sign up over there, they will ask you to enter the invitation code, because this invitation code you have to ask from their Discord. And I will also mention their Discord server in my video description. You just go over there and ask for the code. They will give you code, and then you will enter in the fields, and then the rest of the process handled by their firms, and you will get to sign up over there. So just a simple process in the registration process is that you just have to provide your email address, and then you have to provide the invitation code that you will get from their Discord server, sorry. So I have already signed up over there, so I just click on the login and click on Google. And I'm just going to, so and that was account I'm using Codenest as my YouTube channel. So when I sign up over there, as you can see, I have success message over there. So let's suppose I'm going to create a game, just like here are simple prompts that you can use to create game. So I just click on this. Now I click on the arrow button. Now it is, this AI is insane. This AI actually taking your just single sentence and creating your dream game. This will take some time, like literally 5 to 6 minutes. We have to wait. As you can see, it is processing all of your game mechanics and all of the things that involves in developing the game. So it will take some time, like 5 to 6 minutes. So we will wait and speed up the video, right? So as you can see, it is asking me in the art style. So I am going to go with journal, and I'm going to select my target audience for the game that I have been developing this. So I'm going to click on mail, and I'm going to select the difficulty level of the game, like beginner, and please select suitable age. I'm going to just over there, and under 18 plus, and English is my language. Yes, I'm going to, yeah. Now I'm just clicking on the start generating the game. So now it will take time. It will literally take your 5 to 6 minutes for developing this game. So we will wait. It is an amazing tool. It is actually creating everything for your game, like from game description, worldview, character profile, storyline, and gaming resources. That's the best ever tried AI tool in my life. I just give a single prompt and it is really generating the whole dream game right away. So it is actually generating my contents. We're gonna wait for like 5 to 6 minutes. It will take some more time as it is generating the game. So finally our game has been created over there. You can see how this AI has created all the game components and all of the things. So the after creating your game, the next step is over there. We have to click on a publish button. When we click on this publish button, it will publish your game, right? I'm clicking on this publish button. Now your game has been, okay, your game now is actually published, and now you can play this game, and also you can share it to your other friends and families, any other friends or any other people that you want to share it with it. They can also try and play this game. So now let's go with this game demo. Yeah, so it is opening a new tab over there. So as you can see, now your game has been live and now you can play this game. This is really insane tool. I really love this tool. Now you can see, you can also hear the music right away, right? So next step.
Mallory, it's good to see you even under these grim circumstances.
Insane.
I
Really.
heard a faint anomaly in the background noise, something the average ear might miss.
So here is the gaming characters, the main storyline, game elements, introductions, items, everything that you need in a single game, right? They are more improving and enhancing this AI tool, and it will going to change the world of gaming. Try it by yourself and explore it. Before signing up over there, go to their Discord. I have mentioned in my description their Discord. Just go to their Discord, and you will I have to ask the code. They will provide the code, and later on you will get to sign up over there with the help of that code, right? So here was all for today. So if you really like this video, then do subscribe, like, share, and never forget to press the bell icon to get the latest notifications of our video. So stay happy, blessed, and thanks for watching. See you soon in the next upcoming videos. Thank you.